How to see if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see or know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. You can always open Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Now head over to your chats by tapping on the chat icon on the bottom of your screen that you can see just beside the map icon. And here you can see your audio text conversation history. Now the first way to know that they have blocked you is heading over and on the side where you can find the chat icon, your camera icon. If you find the cross icon, it's because they deleted you and are no longer friends with you. Now it might be that you deleted them, but if not you, then it's them that they deleted. So if you open up their profile and head over to their profile, now if you can see the profile details, then it means that they have just deleted you. But if you can't see any, then it means they have blocked you. Now, the other way is head over to the top and search for the username. The first big clue that can tell you whether a user has blocked you is by looking at whether they show up in your chat history. Now, since we already did that, now the second thing is if a user has blocked you, they won't show up when you search for them within Snapchat. If they have deleted you from the friend list, however, you should be able to find their profile right here. But if you are not able to find the profile despite typing in their username and searching it for them, then it means that they have blocked you. So this is the only way you can know that someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.